How much is the budget? How much?
How much there?
The cheapest I can find is 1.5.
Okay, one there.
It's
Per person?
for 4 person in one room.
This one okay.
Huh? Shut up!
This one okay.
But you won't say how many days. So I check out which day?
Maybe 2 days.
So check out on Tuesday. Eh?
What?
No wait, check in today.
Tonight?
Then check out on Monday or Tuesday.
The next following 2 days.
So Tuesday.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What's that one?
Cedar Peak Condominium.
Condominium?
Yeah.
We check that place also.
Oh.
We try to Google search also. It's nice one. Yeah, cheap.
Yung Manor.
How you spell Manor?
Manor. M-A-N-O-R. It's a condo. May condo.
Oh, okay.
We check the condo because it's cheap, but it looks dirty. Google search. Nawag. Marami nang check out dahil pauwiin sila. Tapos na yun.
Crazy, you want Manor?
Ha?
You want Manor?
Mahal.
Of course.
How much?
24,000.
Magkano?
24,000.
Ha?
For how many person?
24,000.
How many person?
Wait ah.
Lahat na tayo, isang kwarto lang.
24,000 eh.
Mahal. Akala ko 5,000 lang.
Oh.
AMCI. Akala ko mura lang. Ilang araw yun? 2 araw?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Baka may discount mag-agoda ka.
Yeah, this is good up. The cheapest I can find is only 12,000.
Saan?
Manora. It's for for 4 guests.
Check mo. Check mo yung condo.
Guess lang ilagay mo para as round. $24,000 for hanggang Tuesday na yun.
Wait, let me check first. For 2 person now. Oh, 8,000. So what? Yes, no, yes.
Ilang araw yun?
Today, wait, is it today?
Ngayong gabi.
Yeah. Today to Tuesday. 8,000. Can use the gym. Yeah. There's only one room left eh.
Pwede na tayo dun dati. Ilang bedroom, ilang kama yun?
It's the one that is same as Sofitel. So what?
Ayun yung 8,000.
Yeah.
Ano yung tsura patingin?
Check mo yung mga room eh. Yung mga picture ng mga room eh.
Parang Sophie din.
Yeah.
Restaurant lang.
Queen size yung bed, single. Maximum 2 adults.
Oh shit. labis ka. Labis mo.
Yeah.
Yun na yun po eh. Kasama na yung breakfast, wala pa.
I think there's no breakfast. I mean, there's also breakfast around Baguio, what? So what? Faster.
Yan na lang. Pwede na tayo dyan, di ba? Hindi naman tayo mahuhuli, di ba? Hindi naman. Bisita kayo, guest kayo, dalawa.
Oh, yeah, but yeah, breakfast is available, but the breakfast is 1,000.
Mahal yun sa labas na sa... Ano?
Apa idea?
May parking na.
Huh?
May parking.
Yeah, free parking. Of course, you, I guess.
Kasi nga yung mabalik. Binalik niya yung 13.5 lang. Mati tayo na. 13.5. Kabilig mga 13.
Pera ko yun. Ay, sa akin, 8.5 at saka 4.5.
Oo, may 8.5 din ako.
Ha?
8.5 din ako sa akin. Mati tayo. Divide. Nakuha niya, alam ba yan? Shit, 10. Ang gawin sa 10. Uy,
Huh?
yung ano yung return 30 na. 23 yung ano, di may 10 ka pa.
Yeah,
When you return the one,
this week.
gagawin mo.
Saan mang gagaling yun?
Saan mo kinukuha yung paano kasi hindi na yung
Oh, it's 20,000 eh.
Magkano?
20,000.
Ang alin?
The room ah.
Ba't ang mahal? Ano yung 20,000?
Huwag mo 20,000 sa akin. Hanggang ano lang tayo, 6 to 8.
Sa 16,000 lang tayo.
Cause got tax and fees.
Ha?
Tax and fees. You look ah. Uy.
8,000 per day.
Oh, no car, only 2 car running here.
Yeah, why ah?
It should be like,
No, not many going to Baguio ah.
Kasi Sunday ng gabi hanggang ano tayo eh. Uy, 20,000. Kasi matagal tayo Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday.
Wait na ako.
You fill in the details. Like you put your name.
Ano? Daddy.
Ate tayo?
Ha?
Ate?
Sige, hati tayo. O, kasi balik mo sa akin yung kinuha niya, pangulog ko yun eh. O,
30 lang yung binalik nga yan.